Hello guys, for another video. Today's video I will show you how you can find beautiful and adorable pictures you can use on your branch on demand business. These pictures are 100% free and you can use them the way you want and without any problems. For the new people, my name is Saad. I run this channel uploading daily videos about making money online, which branch and demand business by giving you daily tips and tricks can help you to improve your shop, increase your sales and scale your branch and demand business. So if you're interested in this field, be sure you smash that red button, give the video a like, and thank you for your support. Now, without talking too much, let's get started. This method I already talked about in the past, and a lot of you may know this site. So open google.com and type in splash.com. So this is the site. I create a second Redbubble account and start using this method in the last week. So until now I have some few visitors without sales. So if you don't see this video, I will leave it in the description below. Now after open another page and type, can I use in splash photos for commercial? Click at here. Now, this article said that you can use all in splash photos for commercial use without any ask for permission and without any problems. And if we back to the first page and click at here, also in splash said that you have the freedom to use any photo for commercial use without any problems and without ask for permission. So, but here they said that you cannot sell these pictures without significant modifications. Now, if you want to use these pictures for commercial use, you must do some editing on these pictures. But I already talked with a member of InSplash supports, and they gave me a new rules if you want to use these pictures. The first one, you cannot use pictures from InSplash that have people faces like models and like pictures like this. The second one, you cannot use pictures that have brands. And the third one and the last, you cannot use pictures which houses or properties of other people. So this is the three lines we must respect if you want to use pictures from Unsplash without problem, and of course you must do some editing of any pictures you choose. Now, the site have hundreds of thousands of pictures. You can use like nature, interiors, technology, travel, a lot. So I will show you my method to download and editing any picture from Unsplash and upload it on my Redbubble shop. So for example, I will choose nature and also I focus on nature in my second Redbubble account. So look at these adorable pictures. This kind of pictures will do good if you use it on home decor like prints, etc. And I recommend to open a Pinterest account and start promoting this kind of pictures. So let's take this one, and I will use Canva for editing these pictures because it's fast and easy. That's it. Now let's download this picture. Now I will open my Canva account. Now let's upload this picture on Canva. Now I will duplicate the page to see the difference after the editing. And like you say, I already edit some photos to upload. These photos are ready to upload on my Redbubble shop. Now for Canva, I have a lot of options I can use on these pictures, but I will show you my favorite one. Click at Effect. Here you can use a lot of options. Let's click for example at this. and choose Astro. After let's choose this one, and you can keep using filters like this on the picture until you find the perfect edit for you. So like you see, there is a big difference between the first picture and the second one. And also you can click add filter here and select your filter, or you can click add adjust and start editing the pictures manually. And you must download the picture on PNG on high resolution to not lose the pixels in the resolution of this picture, like this. And I always double the size to 2 like this and upload this picture. After, you can upload this picture on your Redbubble shop and use tags related to this picture and start making some sales. And you can use this method for unlimited times, and I think you can upload 20 designs in just 1 hour. And last night I remember upload 40 designs in just 1 hour and a half. So this method is free, 100% for free. Just respect the rules. They have 3 rules. The first one, they have 4 rules. The first one, you must edit the pictures. The second one, don't use pictures which people faces. The third one, don't use pictures that have brands. And the 4, don't use pictures that have houses or properties. So guys, this is the end of this video. You already know that I don't want my videos to be long. So if you benefit from this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, comment anything you want below, and I read all comments. And you can join us to our Facebook group and ask everything there, and I will answer as soon as possible. So see you in the next video.